Algeria, una just dey make noise, and this noise dey hurt me. This noise dey hurt me. Yes, see, we don't need any noise at this stage. At this stage of this competition, we don't need any noise from you. If we are finished with you, go home, go back to your country. If we are done with you, go back to your country. You are dragging the ref. Look at this start. Was this the cause of bad officiating? Look at the ball possession. Look at the chance created. Look at the big chance created. Look at the total shots. Look at the total shot. Was this the cause of bad officiating? I'd say we don't need any noise at this. We the vex. So in the match you guys played with Congo DR, if I can still remember vividly well, when una score at the later stage of that match, your scorer, one of your player, went to mock. He went to mock that Congo DR and fans that was standing all throughout that match. He went to mock him. That man that was paying tributes to one of their legend, he went to mock him. He went to mock him. Nobody dragged you guys. Now I finished beating. Instead for you to pack your load and go back to your country, you are here dragging the ref that officiated in that match. See, with the vex, so with the vex like this, with the vex, you know they play. You guys should just leave Morocco and go back to Algeria.